Okay, so this is the new Mac Pro, and this is 27-inch Thunderbolt only TFT display. Let me just go ahead and close Safari first. Right, so what I'm going to try to do now is I've downloaded H.265 file that has 4K resolution, so it takes a lot of processing power to play this. So this is using VLC media player, which I've just downloaded and installed as well. So once again, this is H.265 playing a 4K file, and you can see it's incredibly smooth. There is no lag or anything whatsoever. You can look at see the cars there moving really smooth. Clearly the system isn't struggling to play this at all. Amazing. This takes so much processing power that not many PCs on the market are able to play it. Okay, just for my own sanity, I'm just going to check the video. Not quite sure how to use this version, this Mac version of VLC, but I'm just going to try to find the media information. Where is that? Okay, I'm not sure how to get to it. I'll find out shortly. Okay, so I found it. I have to right click on the video file there. I'm sure there's another way to do it while the video is being played, but anyway, I've got to it, codec details, so we can see that's 4K resolution, 3840 by 2176. You can see that the display's resolution is a bit smaller than the video's resolution. The display's height is only 2160, so this is the video file is actually larger than what the display can handle. I've got another video file there, also H.265. This one is 1080p 1920 by 960, so that's 1080 or cinema aspect ratio, right? That's also H.265. Of course, that will play with no problem because we could play 4K H.265 with no problem. So this one should be even easier. That's the Mac Pro and that's the price. Okay, so once again we're back to this 4K video here. Beautiful, very nice.